Hi. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can make yourself. Means means what you wanted to do in your life, what you want from your life, and everything about you're doing currently right now in what you're doing in your life. Everything is about related. How you can make yourself like different one. Means let's suppose, okay, let me I want to first of all start my tell you my story, then you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so when I was in my college, I was messed up everything. Generally I was a dumb guy, complete dumb guy, and also average guy who knows little bit, but though I don't know how to do. Let's suppose I was poor in means I was weak in my study. I was uh, I was dumb guy means I have lots of questions in my mind. I can't do anything without any help. Okay, without someone help. I need every time, someone's suggestion, someone's, like these things. I can't do by my own. I was completely messed up with myself. I don't know that much why I and so, but that moment I also wanted to, change myself. I don't wanted to do it those stuff again and again repeatedly in my entire life. So that moment, I said to myself, I wanted to change this one. So that moment, I went, somewhere peaceable place. Then I started to thinking what I am doing right now. I first of all I expected everything what I'm doing. I'm a dumb, okay. I'm not good at everything, and it's also should not you should not be good at everything. But that moment I accepted everything. So yeah, I'm not good at anything. I'm dumb, and yeah, I broke up with my relationship. I got messed up my entire life. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I lost in yeah, at that moment I have lost in my mind. I'm just so confused with myself. Yeah, so that moment it was so, for me it was so precious also time, and also so confusing time, because that moment I was don't know anything. But I decided to myself I wanted to change that. So yeah, I started to research on YouTube, on internet, how I can change myself, how I can improve on everything, whatever I'm doing in my studies, in my everything about in my life, what I wanted to become. Everything means how I can choose my path. Because I was in college, I was also little bit mature and teenager person, but that time I was feeling myself I was dumb. I don't know about even my future, what I'm going to do. So I decided I'm going to change it. Yeah. So one day I still remember it. I went directly into library. Then I decided I'm not going to, yeah, I'm not going to out of this stuff, this library, until I'm going to decide something. So I was, I remember that day, I was just looking at my book in that library, and I was thinking with myself, with my questions in my mind. Then I decided, yeah, I'm not going to do this thing repeatedly. Everything what's happening in yeah, with myself. I want change. I want change. That one decision. It's whatever I'm right now here. It's all everything. Okay. So that day I made decision. I'm going to make myself. What that means what I wanted to become, what I want from my life, from everything. So I make this decision to myself, and I started to exploring on internet. I started to researching how I can do everything. So I found some things. Okay. Okay, so let me explain you with two different way. So first one is make a new version of yourself, and the second one is update yourself. Okay, so let me explain you what are the difference between these two. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the first. Okay, so whatever, first of all, let me give you some disclaimer, or yeah, whatever I'm going to tell you about anything, okay, means I have experienced these things in my life. That's why I'm sharing with you. And yeah, I'm the person who has never experienced something like that. So I can't share, I can't tell you you should also do that. Means which I have experienced in my life, I love to share with lots of people, with my friends, with everyone. So yeah, this is a part just I wanted to tell you. And also, if let's suppose I learned from internet and I experienced, I tried in my life, then that's why I share those things. Otherwise, yeah, I never experienced something, then how I can share with you or with anyone even. Okay, so let's start. So first thing is, and the most thing I have tried in my life, the first thing is the make a new version of yourself, make a new character of your. So it's actually I have tried and I get successful in that. And the second one is update yourself. I tried, but I didn't get that much result of it, but I tried. So that's why I had the experience of that also. So that's why I'm gonna mention the both. So let's talk about the first thing, because this is my favorite one. Okay, this is what I am right now because of this. And the both research are my personal research. I experience everything by my own life. Okay, so let's start. So first thing is, make yourself a new version, new character, a new person, the entire new person, the whole new person. How you can do that? Okay, so first of all, you really wanted to, means first of all we have to understand what we are, what I'm doing in my life every day, every single hour, every single minute. So it's called, means tracking, means you have to analyze yourself, what you're doing every day. First of all, just means like, let's suppose every day, let's suppose you wake up a day and then you started to tracking your time, tracking what you're doing every day, tracking your work, what you do every 1 hour in day, everything. You just make a proper schedule, and whenever you and also you set alarm on for after 1 hour every time, your alarm going to ring up. Then after that you're going to write what I did in 1 hour, every single hour, okay, entire day. Then you make a report of yourself, then for at least for 1 week, then you understand what you're doing. You sometimes you're wasting time, sometimes you did some work for worth it. So you found little bit yourself, then little bit, understand yourself. Okay, that moment. And that moment I also tried this one. First of all, I worked on myself, what I'm doing and what I am. Okay, I understand first of all myself. When I was in college, I stopped everything, I just doing everything as usual. Just I'm at one thing, tracking my time. Every single hour I went college and I came, and that after 1 hour I take my lecture, I learn from this, I learn that, everything I tracking my entire time about me, what I'm doing, what I wanted to talk to my friends but I'm not talking, everything what I've experienced in 1 hour I just wrote on note on my book. I research everything with myself. So what I found is, where I should work, where I should not. So I understand myself. So what I did is, I'm going to make a new version of myself. Means it's just imagination. Generally, it's just imagination. That time I just imagine I'm going to make a new character of myself. Yeah, it's really, I just make that decision. I said it's my I'm going to call by different name. Let's suppose Dave. It's also I'm a developer that moment. I love to do coding that moment. So I make myself, I'm going to do I'm also a developer, so that's why I'm going to call myself Dave. Okay, and also it's this name is from Bollywood, so I like this name, so I started to calling myself Dave. Means it's a character what I wanted to be, means what schedule I wanted to be in my future. I wanted to implement my life, my ideal schedule, everything what I wanted from this character. This character, what should be like and not like this thing. And I also didn't make any limitation for this character. Whoever, like a new version of myself I made that day. And yeah, okay, let me tell you a little bit more detail how you can do that. It means how you can do that. So first of all, I just sit on table and I wrote something. I'm going to be a new person from tomorrow, and this is the version of myself. Whenever I am this mode, let's suppose in there, so I'm going to impossible work to do. I'm going to, everything is not possible, everything hard work I'm going to do. And from zero, means from the starting, I'm not going to ashamed of everything. Means I'm not going to ashamed of about anything. If I don't know, then I will accept that and I will work on that. yeah, everything, everything I write on that page, what could be the my best version, like how I wanted to become like. So everything I wrote it on my page. It's called pointing and recalling system. Means you are showing yourself what you do, what you wanted to become. So I wrote everything on my page. Okay, so yeah, everything was front of me, what I wanted to become, and also my report was front of me, how I was, before that. So yeah, that's how I started everything from zero. Let's suppose why I was not good that much in my college in studies, because everything was English. Means everything is completely English related content, everything. So I know Hindi, I understand very well, but I don't understand English that moment. So I started from zero. Means I wanted to learn everything about English, even speaking. Right now I'm speaking English. So yeah, I'm between my journey of this English speaking. So I make everything, like what I wanted to do. I'm going to learn from the scratch. I will learn everything. I'm not going to ashamed. Even people will tell me, why are you learning like a child, even though, okay. So I make myself everything, okay, from the zero. Yeah, everything I decided to do. So yeah, this is the first thing I started, and I slowly I found myself, whenever I completed any task, then I wanted to do it again. And that time also I read one time Atomic Habits, but that time I didn't learn that much from that book. So yeah, lots of things I learned from that. So I started to doing slowly 1% rule every day. Not I'm going to do everything at one day. I'm going to do little bit work. 1% rule, I use lots of thing in my that particular time. I learned also, I read lots of books also that time when I was in college. And I started to work on my English speaking, English and English understanding. Everything I work slowly, and but everything make worth it right now. Okay, everything I done from the basics, from next level, I done everything correctly. So yeah, after that I found myself, it's a new version of myself. Means I know everything, like how I was before. I don't know anything, but right now I know everything, how it works, how I can change myself anytime, do better in my life. Okay, means when I was my old version, then that moment I was procrastinating a lot. I do lots of bad thing, yeah, bad habits. But in this new version, I don't do. I learned everything, how I can control myself. Okay, yeah, everything. So yeah, everything I found it, and that's it. Yeah, this is the secret of how I did everything so easily in my life. This is the secret. And yeah, I want, that's why why I'm sharing you. So if whenever you going, means whoever going to watch this video, it will little bit benefit for him. Just sit with yourself, bro. If you feeling little bit rushing, and everything is going messed up in your life, then sit yourself. First of all, sit with yourself somewhere peaceable place, and think about yourself, what you're doing, what you want, but you're not doing that thing. Everything, whatever just think about. Just sit with you. What you need is just sit with yourself, and that's it. And write everything, whatever your thought says that moment. Okay, so yeah, these are the things. And the second thing is about update yourself. Okay, let me tell you how you can update yourself. Means first of all, the same thing you have to do is track your time every single hour, what you're doing every day. At least track your time for at least 1 week. Then you will understand so depth what you are. Okay, how you behave, how you react in every situation. Then you will understand so will about yourself. Then you can work on that particular thing, what you wanted to do. Okay, what you wanted to become. But why it's not works for me, means updating yourself. It's like suppose I'm getting stuck with that problem again and again somehow. So I don't understand that moment. So I was so angry, I was so frustrated. So that's why I said I'm going to make my new version of myself. It's a random thing. I just said to myself that particular moment, I just said I'm going to make myself a new version, new person, new character, like different one. Like right now I am that character, that person would be different person. So, and that person name would be Dev. Yeah, I just said, with angrily and with confidence that moment. So yeah, but it's work for me, so that's a good thing. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to mess up everything. So yeah, that's why I skip this part, updating yourself, tracking your time. Tracking your time, it's work for me, I also use in that. But I try to do something differently, yeah, that moment also. And every time I'm not trying to repeat someone's thing. Let's suppose I said something, then you can't repeat what I did, right? You have to first of all research yourself, because everyone is different. Yeah, let's suppose I learned something from someone. I started to using those techniques, his techniques, in my life. Let's suppose he was reading for 6 hours, then I also started to reading or studying for 6 hours. Then I found myself, I can do this thing easily. I don't want to invest my 6 hours for this one. So I found myself. Then I'm going to decrease, or yeah, I'm going to put less time in that. So like that way, you have to first of all understand yourself, then you can work with that, right? So this is it, means this is so easy. And everyone, whatever they were doing in their life, getting success, doing big things, because why? Because they know what their weaknesses, what their strengths. They know how they can make themselves better each day, everything. So yeah, these are the thing. This is means how you can make yourself. So yeah, that's it. And I don't have anything to say. I think, yeah, I completed everything. I just shared with myself and with you everything what I know. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And also sorry for my English, because yeah, I'm just learning, I'm still learning. Okay, I'm not that much good speaker, but I try to do every day better and better. So yeah, and 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 I want to tell you, yeah, means one day I will definitely going to be a good speaker in English. Okay, so thank you for your timing. So that's it. If you wanted to make yourself, then first of all, sit with yourself. A peaceable place means peaceable place means something not in public. Just go somewhere you are with yourself only. Just sit with yourself, not any single person, not your friend, not your family, not at all, no anyone. Just go with yourself. Okay, then think about yourself. Yeah, I'm telling you, think about yourself, not overthink. Just think whatever you're thinking, just write on note what you like, you don't like, with yourself, everything. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And also you can use ChatGPT nowadays. Okay, you can ask to him how you can improve myself. Lots of things here to do. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, so after hearing these everything whatever I have shared with you, you are going to start. I have to do these lots of things to do means for myself. So I wanna tell you a small story. Not story, it's just a thing. Okay, means why you need to do this thing. First of all, you really want it. Yeah, ask with yourself why you wanted to do this thing. Let's suppose someone said you have to become something great, that's why you wanted to do, or something you found yourself, means what you wanted to become, like you wanted to see yourself something great in your vision, great in your eyes, means you wanted to become something great, something best version of yourself. That's why you wanted to do. If you thinking that thing, means you wanted to something become in your eyes, means in your eyes means something about yourself, you wanted that. Okay, so you have to do this thing. You have to track yourself, you have to research on yourself, because let's suppose it's so easy thing, because you know something, then you can change it, right? Let's suppose I know the problem very well, then I can work with that, right? Means then I can solve that problem. Let's suppose I never learned Pythagoras formula, I never learn in my entire life, then how I can solve that? If I know the Pythagoras formula and how to solve it, then I can solve so quickly. Even you give me any single question, then I can solve it so easily. So that's how it works. First of all, you have to understand what you are, what you making mistakes repeatedly, and what you know about yourself. First of all, you have to explain that information about yourself, then you can work with that. So it's really matter. Okay, and don't get frustrated with yourself, because what you are, you know only. Okay, means no one can understand you. So it's all about yourself, what you wanted to see yourself after 5 years, after long time, or 1 year after, what you wanted to become. Everything is matter for you, matter to you, and no one gonna care about you. If you gonna become something good for you, then everyone going to appreciate you, and everything going to praise you. But if you're going to mess up in your entire life, then after everyone going to ignore you, no one going to take a look, means something about. So society and everyone's reactions is matter, it's reality. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's why we wanted to do better things in our life, not for others, for ourselves. Yeah, never try to do for something or someone. Okay, just try to what you wanted to do in your life, what you wanted to become. Okay, so yeah, these are the thing. I'm not going to tell lots of things, these are so easy one. Okay, you can also imagine, or you can also understand these things. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, just keep learning and keep doing in your life better each day by 1%, every single day. You don't need to try to do everything in one single day, because you can't do it, because you're human, right? You are not robot. So you have to do 1% every day. That's my last thing I want to share with you. Yeah, that's it. You have to do just 1% of your work at every single day. You do not need to do everything in a single fucking day. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So bye, see you tomorrow, or see you in my next video. Yeah, bye.